Hi FS100. I'm going to do a brief video to go over the Chapter 1 slideshow since the class time didn't seem to work for that today. So as I mentioned in class, each chapter has a lot of information, and these slideshows basically summarize everything that's in the textbook. I'm always going to tell you, however, what we're focusing on with each chapter. So as I did in class today, we actually are going to skip several of the slides to get to the main concepts of Chapter 1. Not that these other slides aren't important, they have useful information, and I would like you to read all of the slides. But in terms of the lecture, I'm going to focus on 3 concepts from Chapter 1. Self-efficacy, resilience, and hope. We will deal with personal responsibility in Chapter 2. The definition of self-efficacy is the belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Basically, you have to believe that you are capable of doing what you intend to do, even if you don't quite have the knowledge or skills yet. You believe that you will be able to get those knowledge or skills or increase your abilities to be able to achieve your goals. Resilience is the ability to cope with stress and setbacks. So when you experience negative things in life, problems and issues, you are able to bounce forward from those setbacks. Yes, it's negative. Yes, bad things happen. But having resilience is being able to say, okay, this bad thing happened, but now I can move forward, or how will I move forward? Hope, the third element, is when you have the willpower and way power to achieve your goals. You have self-confidence and you're motivated to achieve your goals. Willpower means mental energy, and way power means having the resources, plans, and skills to achieve your goals. Again, even if you don't have them yet, you know that you are capable of learning or getting those resources, plans, and skills. As I said, we will deal with personal responsibility a little more in Chapter 2, but just to summarize, taking personal responsibility means that you do have goals and plans, and you are able to use resources to accomplish those goals. Part of having positive psychology is that you are able to request help. And we're going to talk more about that on Wednesday in class in terms of resources at HACC. We're going to explain the resources, then you need to think about, okay, what resources do I need and how do I use them? How do I take action to use them? Having self-efficacy, resilience, and hope will allow you to develop skills, attitudes, and behaviors that will be useful in the work world in addition to academics. So the skills you're going to develop in our FS100 class are called transferable skills that hopefully you will be able to transfer and use in your other classes, at work, and in your personal lives. And the last slide just gives you some examples of that. So again, I'm going to ask you to look through all of the slides on your own, but what we're focusing on in this chapter is self-efficacy, your belief in your abilities, resilience, the ability to bounce forward from negative situations and stress, and hope, the knowledge that you have the willpower and way power, the mental energy, and the resources, skills, and plans to move forward and achieve your goals. And that is a summary of Chapter 1 slideshow.